There is important information that every customer should know, both before and after purchasing tiles. Like, for example, that the tone of our products can vary from one production lot to another. The tone is identified by a letter and a number. The letter indicates a production lot, and the number represents the tone itself. The number indicates the intensity of the color, from lighter, lower numbers, to darker, higher numbers. Another important aspect is the caliber, which indicates the size of the tiles. Unless you are using rectified products, also known as single caliber, you have to be very careful. Between one production lot and another, the caliber could vary by a few millimeters, invisible to the naked eye, but crucial if you want to lay two tiles of different calibers next to each other. That's why different production lots are divided by caliber, a crucial information which is present on every single box you will purchase. So read them carefully and ask for help from your reseller. And most importantly, always check for recommendation side of the grout lines and only rely on professional tilers.